Now we're going to talk about lists. So we basically declare a list by saying x equals, we use these angle brackets to show that it's a list. So let's add some objects to this list. Say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. And then let's print out the list. Save it, run it. And as you can see, we have our list here. If we want to add something to the list, we say x.append, and we'll say 600. So that will add another item to the end of this list. Oh, let's print it out again. Alright, so as you can see, x now has another item, 600. And when we're talking about lists, you guys need to know about indexes. So basically, we have 5 items in this list, but their indexes start from 0. So 100 has index number 0, 200 has index number 1, 300 has index number 2, so on and so forth. The first item in the list is always at index 0, and the second item in the list is always at index 1, and it goes on from there. So let's print out x at 0, and then let's print out x at 1, and then let's print out x at 5. So just think about where x at 5 would be. What number would it be? So let's save it and run it. So x at 0 was 100, x at 1 was 200, and x of 5 was 600, because it's the 6th element. Even though it says 5, this list started from 0, so 5 is the 6th element in the list. And that's all I want to do for lists for right now.